POS, click Billing submenu. Default salesperson and counter will be automatically selected. You can also select the salesperson and counter you have saved. Click Add Customer, fill the details and click Save. Added customer details will be listed below. Select the customer. In case the customer not added, you can choose Add Guest to continue. Select the product or barcode and fill the quantity. Click Enter. The product you entered will be listed below. Multiple products can be added in one single billing. If warranty was added to the product in inventory, the 4 serial number box would appear to enter the serial numbers and click Submit. The quantity can be customized here. Now click Complete. The bill for your product is ready and select the mode of your payment and continue with payment. There are 6 modes of payment. For check and credit, tentative date is given, which means the date proposed for payment. You can fill the details. Credit option is available with installment according to the bill amount. Your credit points will be added. There is an option called Redeem. That redeem can be claimed as cash or gift while billing. Click Pay Now. Billing for your product is completed successfully. Added advantages in billing. There are 2 options, return and resume. Return. If the product need to be returned due to some effects, this option can be used. Resume. This option is used to resume a bill during billing. Maximum 5 billings can be held and resumed at a time. If you uncheck the within state box, the GST option will be changed to IGST. Business to business option is provided for bulk orders. In inventory, if the product was saved with business price details entered, select it here for B2B billing. The product which was not added in inventory can be used in billing. Quick Add Product. The product which was not added in both product and inventory can be added directly and used for billing. Example, mint leaf for ₹10. POS config also can be customized from billing by clicking the navigation link.